Hey guys, Jose's DIY here. So if your engine mount looks like this happens to be the rear engine mount on my 4G Eclipse. So if your mount looks like this, it's definitely time to repair it. See that? It's got a crack that goes right through the whole thing and comes out on the other side. We put a little bit of pressure, it moves. It's got some movement. See, this thing almost wants to come out. That's where the bolt runs through the center bolt. Also, if you notice a lot of rattling, engine vibrations, especially when you're in reverse, this could be the issue here. Like, comment, subscribe.